Welcome to the channel. I had decided not to buy zoom lenses anymore. Still, I came across an article that this lens is exceptionally good. Then I'm triggered. I was able to buy the zoom lens together with another Minolta for €60. The first thing that strikes you is that this zoom lens is very heavy. That's not nice when you walk around this wide-range lens. The lens has a built-in macro function, which is very nice for my style of photography. The results are good, but I'm not yet sure whether this is such a special lens. The weight is a big disadvantage and can be a reason to use a different lens if you want a wide focal length in one lens.